got here W223. Client complained at the back armrest cup holder stuck, it doesn't open. Unfortunately, Mercedes is selling complete units. They're not selling any parts. You cannot strip nothing in it, so you have to replace complete unit, and it's 2,500 plus VAT. So we sourced second hand, same color, but to replace the armrest lift cup holder, you have to strip everything at the back. So it's massive job. So it's all day job. We start in the morning and we're almost finished. So another 2 hours we finish work. So I have to put all together. So all seats, electronic seats, everything from the back, everything have to be stripped to replace that armrest with the cup holders. So be careful with this ones, because anything broken you have to replace complete unit and turn up very expensive. But obviously we save a lot of money because we source second-hand unit, which is £300. Now we got wrong coding, so we have to do SN coding to configure coding. We plug in cables, connected armrest to system, installed the tablet, and it didn't like. So now we have to try to code it and see if that works. Yeah, we done coding. Looks like successful, so we're gonna try if it works. Right, we
connected it.
Right, after a couple hours work, so we coded the back armrest, so no more faults. It's one fault with the battery. I noticed client, he needs to replace starter battery, but all other is all good. There's no faults, and all nice, fits back together. That's working, and main thing, that's working as well, because that's the reason we changed the all back armrest for the literally just for the cup holders.